In this short take, I will show you the N4V for Webby Web Mapline widget. For those of you who may not be aware of our feature set, I wanted to quickly review the Need4Viz solution for SAP Business Objects Web Intelligence. N4V widget integrates new data visualization components and navigation features, enabling advanced dashboarding and web intelligence. N4V Maps allows the integration of offline and online maps and custom plans directly into web intelligence. N4V Analysis is a powerful pivot table with integrated charting for in-depth data exploration. And finally, N4V Publisher is designed for distributing information outside of the SAP Business Objects platform. The Web Map line is one of 9 maps included in N4V for Webby. The Web Map line has an online cartographic background, allowing the display of an optional bubble or a pie chart for each zone. Offline map codes are defined in the Need4Viz help portal at help.needforviz.com. Using N4V for Webby is simple. For this demonstration, I'll use U.S. Census data to map United States population by state. I'll begin by choosing an existing table block, right-click, and selecting Turn Into. Then I'll choose the Web Mapline widget from the Custom Element Gallery. Next, I'll resize the widget to my desired size. And notice that N4V for Webby coaches me to take the next step, choosing a map and a web provider. I'll right-click on the map and choose Format Custom Element and Extended Parameters at the bottom of the menu. I'll begin by opening the Maps panel, and I'll select the USA States map and the OpenStreetMap standard web provider. Next, I'll set a title and a subtitle in the global panel. I'll also choose a color palette as well as a numerical format for the United States. Moving on to the menu panel, I'll check the boxes that will add a menu button to the top right corner of the widget, and I'm going to add the full screen button, the data button, and the technical information tab. Next, I'll set a label for population in the options parameters. This label will appear at the bottom in the legend. I'm not using Web Intelligence element linking, so I will disable the selection color in the selection parameters. Also, my web map line doesn't define any layers, bubbles, or pies. So I'm going to move down to the divisions parameters to set the precision of the measure, which will affect how population is displayed on a tooltip. I'm also going to select a choropleth gradient, which will override the color palette selection that I made in global parameters. I'm going to double check my 2 choropleth colors. And for population, I think logarithmic is easier to understand than the linear option. Okay, so those are the parameters. And next I'm going to move on to testing my map. The Web Mapline map is one of 9 maps and over 60 total widgets available in N4V for Webby. To interact with the complete set of N4V for Webby widgets, visit our live demo site at need4viz.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. You can also follow Need4Viz on LinkedIn and X to stay up to date.